Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a non-stationery related unboxing video for you. A few weeks ago I was contacted by Everydayedeals. They asked me if I wanted to try out some of their products and make a video in exchange. So I said yes, and they kindly sent me a few items of my choice for free. But as always, I will give you my honest opinion about the products. Everydayedeals offers many different kinds of craft products, such as diamond paintings, cross-stitch kits, paint by numbers kits, and DIY home decor kits, and they are all budget-friendly. I put the links to all the items you see in this video and my 10% off discount code in the description below. Now let's take a look at what I've got. First, I've got this TATTY diamond painting kit. The painting has the size of 30 by 30 centimeters. There's a diamond painting tool set included in this kit. In the set there's a drill pen with 3 heads, a tweezer, some wax, and a drill container. And this is the square drill set for the painting. Each bag has numbers on it. And here you can see which color you need and where to place it according to the symbol and the number. The next item I've got is this TOTORO squishy drill pen. It feels so soft and squishy and very comfortable to hold. I will definitely use this for all my diamond painting projects. Next, I've got this cute KOKESHI diamond painting sticker kit. There's a diamond painting tool set included in this kit. This is the sticker sheet. There's also an instruction sheet. a small sticker sheet, and there are some resin and rhinestone drills in this kit. The next item I've got is this cute unicorn diamond painting SUNCATCHER kit. The kit included a diamond painting tool set, an acrylic unicorn plate, a set of rhinestone drill, a chain and a rainbow bead chain, some metal finding, and one acrylic crystal. The last item I've got is this TOTORO beads cross-stitch keychain kit. In the kit there's an instruction sheet, but unfortunately it's in Chinese and I cannot speak and read Chinese. There's a picture instruction on how to do the cross stitch though, but I still don't know how to put each part together. And since I have never done this kind of project before, it might be challenging for me. There's also filling material included in the kit. One printed cloth, some yarns and strings, some beads, four needles and a keychain. I will share the updates and my experience making all of these projects on my Instagram story occasionally. So please subscribe to my Instagram account at TATTY Creation if you don't want to miss it. Now I'm going to make one of these Kokeshi stickers. So please just sit back and enjoy the quick process. That's it. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.